Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the ease of reporting and getting KPIs from your ERP system. While you can view all your manufacturing data within your ERP system, it might be that you want to get data out and really play around with it in Excel. So what sort of things and what sort of information is important for you to be looking at, and why is it important? So in your ERP system, you'll expect to see things like OTIF, looking at your supplier and your customer delivery data, making sure that you're supplying on time, in full, and your suppliers are doing the same to you. Looking at your planned versus your actual costs, getting into, what did I expect things to cost me to make and versus what they actually cost. Looking at your sales margins, really looking at have I made profit and how much have I made. Then maybe looking at your scrap data, looking at scrap percentages. Is there one particular process that's causing that scrap? And with that, you can look at your labour bookings, looking at not only the time for particular works orders, but also who's done what at any particular time. And then looking at maybe your stock and your inventory as well, so your stock valuation and maybe some slow moving stock. So really diving deeper into that stock valuation, it can really give you some quick wins, as you'll be able to analyse your inventory, seeing any stock holding that might be higher in value than you'd expected, and work out the plan for what to do with that stock in the future. You'll also be able to do that analysis of your standard versus your planned versus your actual, particularly for your manufactured parts, looking what you expected it to cost you to make versus what it actually cost in the real world. So a good ERP system will not only give you access to your data in the system for reporting and KPIs, but will also give you the ability to take that data out and manipulate that data in a way that really suits you. So if you'd like to learn more about ERP software, why not attend one of our free events online? They'll give you an overview of what a well-implemented ERP software can do for you in your business.